Hello everyone. So in this video, I'll be explaining you how to open a bank account and how you can get loan in Kuwait. So let's get started. So first of all, when you come to Kuwait and start your job, you will need your salary for the first month, right? So for that, you will need to open a bank account. So for opening the bank account, you will have to approach certain number of banks. There are multiple banks in Kuwait such as KFH, Burgan, Gulf, CBK, Warba. So you will have to approach the bank with the help of a salary certificate. So you will have to ask your company to provide you the salary certificate. Once they provide the salary certificate, everything is written on that, and then you have to approach the bank. So what you have to do is first you will have to make a list of banks in which you want to open the account. Approach a bank and see that if your company is eligible for opening an account in that particular bank or not. And if yes, your company is eligible, then you will have to get the salary certificate in which it will be mentioned and it will be addressed to the particular bank in which you want to open the account. Once you provide that salary certificate to the particular bank and you provide your civil ID, they will open the bank account for you then and there itself. Even the ATM card, they will be printing your name then and there itself and will be handing over to you at the same time. So once your bank account is open, you will need minimum 3 months of bank statements and 3 months of salary has to be deposited in your bank account to be eligible for getting a loan. Previously, loans were provided by a lot of banks, but nowadays from what information I have, only Burgan, Gulf and KFH are providing loans to the expats. So once you approach them for the loan after the 3 months salary deposit, they will be checking your salary statements and they will be telling you what amount of loan you are eligible for. So usually it is 10 times to 15 times of your salary. So for example, if your salary is like 100 KD per month, you will be eligible for a loan of 1500 KD. This is just an example. If the salary is more, then you will be eligible for more amount. Also, the bank tenure is only for 5 years in Kuwait. So whenever you take a loan, you will have to give the amount back within the span of 5 years. So once the bank checks that you are eligible for the loan and the company is also eligible for the loan, they will be asking you for a certificate which you have to take from the company and give it to them. So that certificate, once you provide it to the bank, they will be initiating the loan process. The bank will be giving you an Excel sheet like this. In that, your repayment schedule will be there and what amount of EMI will be charged to you per month, that will also be there. So if the loan is approved, that amount will be credited to your bank account and that amount you can take and invest anywhere where you have thought of doing it. So once everything is done, the repayment is of different types in Kuwait, which is a very good thing. So some of the banks will cut your loan amount on 15th of every month. Some of the bank will cut your loan amount on 1st of every month. Some of the banks will give you a notification that you have 10 days to send the EMI to make sure that you pay the amount. So while in the process of taking the loan, you make sure that you ask all this information so that you can match and align it with your salary. Sometimes the loan is directly cut from the salary and salary will be credited with the cut amount itself. Also, they have an option to prepay as well. So if you have the amount earlier, you can prepay the complete loan and clear it off. If not, you can continue for the rest of the time. You can pay as per your EMI schedule. Make sure that whenever you apply for a loan, you are staying here and you will be able to repay the loan. Because whenever a person does not repay a loan, it is called a bad debt and it is a very bad thing for anyone to take lots and lots of amount as loan and then not pay it back and run away back to your country. If you run away back to your country after taking heavy loans here, you will be blacklisted and it is not a good thing because it gives a very, very bad impression about your country and your peers. So make sure that whatever you require in your life and your investments, you should be able to pay your loan back to this country. This country is a very good country. They don't charge much on the interest. So it is our duty that whenever we take anything from them, we pay them on time and we pay them with respect. So this is how the complete process is. If you have any kinds of doubts or any kinds of further queries, you can comment down below or you can reach out to me on my TikTok and my Instagram channel. I hope if you're applying for the loan, it gets cleared. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.